Robert Bryce, the Kingpin guy, is amazing. And I hope you find these topics enlightening. He is not bull crapping at all. That was truth. Everything you just heard is not any propaganda or anything. He is a journalist, and he is a very well-known journalist. And that's why he speaks at Congress in front of travels the world, is just a wonderful asset to us and resource. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, watching, doing whatever you do, and check out Robert's, his books and Substack if you want to get informed. He's hugely impactful on LinkedIn as well. So leave you with that, everybody. Have a great day, great week, great life. Together, we change the world. All right. Peace out, everybody. I'm Tom Matt. We're out.